Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Ultimate Football Manager game not loading or stuck on loading screen problem, black screen issue or stuck on black screen problem on Android phones. So without wasting time, here follow the fixes very carefully. Now the first fix is to simply restart your Android device. So just restart your Android device, and once your device restart, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then next solution is to check for the Ultimate Football Manager app update. So open Play Store, tap on search for Ultimate Football Manager 2026 and then tap on it. And if you find any updates available for this app, then update it and then you can go back, launch the game and check. Next solution is to check for internet connection. So please check and make sure that your internet is working properly. Now if you're connected to Wi-Fi, then switch to mobile data and then check. And if you're connected to mobile data, then switch to Wi-Fi and then launch the game and check. If possible, then you can also try to connect to a different Wi-Fi network or mobile data network via hotspot and then check Ultimate Football Manager app is working or not. Next solution is to force stop Ultimate Football Manager app. So tap and hold the app icon, then click on app info, then click on force stop and then again click on force stop to confirm it. Then go back, launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then clear the Ultimate Football Manager app cache. So again tap and hold the app icon, then click on app info, then tap on storage usage and then click on clear cache and confirm it. Then go back, launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then also tap on clear data. Now here take a important note that clearing the app data will delete app data including files and settings permanently from this device. So if you agree, only then tap on delete to confirm it and then go back, launch the game and check. If still your problem is not solved, then you have to allow the background activity for this app. So again tap and hold the app icon, then click on app info, then go to the battery usage and then check mark the first option, that is allow background activity, and then again click on allow to confirm, then go back, launch the game and check. Next solution is to connect to VPN. So open Play Store, tap on search for VPN and search for it. And then you can install any VPN of your choice from the Play Store, such as a Ninja VPN, Norton VPN, Express VPN, Turbo VPN, Proton VPN, Octohide VPN, Nord VPN. So you can install any VPN of your choice from the Play Store, then launch the VPN app, then connect to a different location than your current location, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Now if you're already connected to VPN, then disconnect it and then check. Now if still your problem is not solved, then the last solution is to uninstall and reinstall Ultimate Football Manager app. So tap and hold the app icon, then click on uninstall and then again click on uninstall to confirm it, and then just restart your device. And once your device restart, open Play Store, tap on search for Ultimate Football Manager and then tap on it and then click on install button to reinstall it, and then you can go back, launch the game and check. Now after following all these fixes, if still your problem is not solved, then the last thing you must do is to check for the Ultimate Football Manager app server status. And if you find that the server status is offline, under maintenance or having any kind of outages, then you can't do anything. You have to just wait for the server status to get back online and then you can check back later. So I hope by following these fixes you can easily solve Ultimate Football Manager game not loading or stuck on loading screen problem, black screen issue or stuck on black screen problem on Android devices. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.